so much for tuning back into my channel, right? So one of the things that I do, I have a 90-day, okay? It's a trauma recovery retreat program, okay? This program is designed for Christian business women who are navigating, if you're navigating or if you're recovering from difficult relationships, okay? I teach you how to do what? As an angelic intuitive soul healer, y'all, I teach y'all how to heal, right? So listen, whether you are currently in an unhealthy relationship, you may be ready to end it. You may be, healing from the aftermath, okay? What this is going to do, it's going to help you. I'm going to give you the tools so that you can learn how to navigate. It's going to help guide you, to help you to break free from sexual addiction, okay? If you're dealing with that, heal emotionally, spiritually, and you want to align yourself to attract a soulmate that reflects your worth and your divine calling. It don't get no better than that, y'all. Now, let me tell you, you're going to work with me one-on-one for 90 days, okay? And this is what we're going to do, okay? This is what we're going to do over here because we're going to be healing, right? So, I always say, after you heal, here comes the great reveal. So listen, this retreat, y'all, is going to be, you can even, if you want it to be a group session, it could be a group session, okay? If you want to do one-on-one coaching, if you want to do this thing even by yourself, you can. It's self-paced learning modules, okay? And it's going to help you, enabling participants to transform. You can transform at any time of your life. It don't matter, y'all, what y'all done been through, okay? But what it's going to do is help you recover from difficult relationships, okay? And I'm the perfect candidate because I done been through so much, y'all, in my life. So much stuff in my life. Y'all know I'm an advocate now for women in crisis. And I help pregnant women with unexpected pregnancy. So this is going to help you, okay? It will give you also the ability to be able to transform at your own pace while you're still receiving that personalized guidance and support, okay? Because it's important, y'all. It's important. Now, you might be between the ages of 30 and 50. You might be a businesswoman. You may have experienced some emotional and sexual trauma in relationships, okay? Also, unhealthy relationships. You may be able to, you might be ready to leave right now, okay? You might be able to walk out the door right now and be like, look, I just need some guidance. I need some support. See, the reason why I'm able to help other Christian women, right? Business women, because when I had to go through that, y'all, I didn't have no support. I didn't have nobody to assist me and teach me how to heal from trauma. I was in a foreign country way in Mexico with 3 kids, couldn't even speak Spanish. I knew enough Spanish though to make some money. I knew enough to do business, but I didn't have no support. When my narcissistic ex-husband tried to take my business from me, y'all, after I had built it. Didn't see no money from the business. My customers don't know where I went. Never seen no money from my soul food kitchen, my restaurant. Didn't see no money from this investment. Because why? The visa was in his name. The bank account was in his name. Okay? And listen, I'm just here to help y'all. You might be ready to leave right now, okay? You might have recently even just left a relationship and you like, look, I just need some guidance. I need some support. That's the whole reason why I'm showing up. I'm showing up here so that I can help you to heal, okay? Some people did not have guidance. They didn't have that support. They didn't have that community. Okay, and so because I've experienced, y'all, emotional trauma in past relationships, unhealthy relationships, this is why I'm able to help other women now that are seeking healing from past trauma, emotional recovery, okay? But you gotta you gotta be open to spiritual growth. Because if you don't, you're gonna stay stuck. You're gonna stay silent. But I'm talking to the women that value faith-based solutions. You committed to your personal and your professional success. And you recognize that, hey, I need some inner healing. I got to get healed. I need some guidance. I need some support. I need a community of women like myself so I can heal and move forward. So that's why has sent me here to help you. Because why? I'm the Malak. I'm the sent one, right? And I'm here to help you to heal. So what will you get out of this? You're going to break free from sexual addiction, unhealthy emotional patterns. You're going to heal past trauma, painful relationships, okay? And guess what? You're going to learn how to cultivate spiritual growth, self-worth. And then you're going to learn how to attract your soulmate. Because why? You got access to the higher spiritual realms, right? But you got to be able to align with somebody that got the same values and faith as you. You know what I'm saying? Listen, y'all not ready. Listen, if you are, and I'm going to say this again, if you are a Christian businesswoman and you are trying to navigate or recover from difficult relationships, okay, this is why I created this trauma recovery program, to be able to give you that guidance, to give you that support. Sometimes talking to somebody that you don't know is the best option. You know why? Because the people that you do know, listen, first of all, the Bible says that your enemies are the members of your household, and people that know you, guess what? They too familiar with you. So sometimes talking to somebody that you don't know, that don't know you, they don't know the things that you've been through unless you tell these people. Sometimes it's good to talk to people, y'all, that you don't know. Why? Because they're not going to judge you like your familiar friends and family members would. You know what I'm saying? So I just got to keep it real with y'all. But listen, if you have experienced some of the things that I have spoken of in this video, okay, if you are seeking healing from past trauma, emotional trauma, and you want to go through that recovery process, and you want to be open to that spiritual growth, this is why I'm showing up on the scene for you. This is why, so that I can help, okay? I can help you. This is going to be a 12-step framework to healing, right? And it's going to be mind over matter, because this thing right here is, listen, the way that God had me set it up, y'all, is very, prescriptive. Let me say that. It's very prescriptive, and it's going to help you to heal. And it's going to be the same way. It's going to be the same way that I had to heal myself. The same exact way. The same way. You're going to have to go through a physical reset and a spiritual reset. And it's going to be intense, but it's going to be mind over matter. It is. It really is. So I'm here, y'all. Please make sure y'all comment. Listen, you can privately send me an email at angelic with a K, soulhealer@gmail.com, or sent from heaven care, okay, at gmail.com. If you are somebody that needs that inner healing, and you value faith-based solutions, and you committed to your personal and your professional success, okay? And if you ready to heal and move forward, I'm showing up for women that are ready to heal. I'm talking about do some real deep inner healing. And a lot of people, this ain't for everybody, because I'm going to tell you, I always say this, a lot of people don't like to heal, y'all. And this is why they don't have access to the higher spiritual realms because they don't want to do that clearing work. Okay? You got to clear some stuff out of your heart, your mind, your body, your soul, your life, like in general. Like you got to be ready to put it in the garbage. And a lot of people, they not strong enough to do that, y'all. They not strong enough to do that. So listen, I'm happy that God is using me so that I can be able to establish a supportive and trusting environment, y'all, for healing. This is what I'm doing, because if more people healed in life, in general, in the world, we will have more strong family bonds. I'm telling you. I'm telling y'all the truth. I'm telling y'all. So listen, we're going to do some healing over here also, y'all, with the angels. I'm telling you. Because that's the modality that I use. I work with my angels. So prayer is something that I do. Okay? I do prayer. But we going to, listen, it's going to be real good. But I am just thankful that God is using me to establish a supportive and trusting environment. Let me say that. You need to be able to have support. You need guidance. You need somebody you can trust. Okay? And a lot of people, you cannot trust these people with your healing process, because these very people, listen, if they know you wounded, they'll just keep picking at it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of these people don't even want to see you heal. They don't care about your healing process. They don't care about your journey. They don't care about your personal success or your professional success either. A lot of people do not care, y'all. So this is why you got to get around like-minded people that are just like you, and you got to get in these environments, okay, where you can heal so you can move forward. So listen. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I love y'all. And listen, reach out to me. Reach out to me and make sure don't nothing get in your way. Nothing gets in your way from healing and moving forward in this season of your life, because it's all about your personal success and your professional business success at the end of the day. That's all that matters. And faith-based solutions. That's it. That's it, y'all. So I hope that this video, it was a good video and you was able to really hear my heart, okay? And what it is that God is doing right now in this hour for me as well as for other people, right? Because you got to heal. First, you got to heal before there is a great reveal, y'all. You got to heal. You got to heal, okay? Love y'all.